Hi, my name is Jen, also known as Nail Art by Jen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get spooky nail art inspired by Lip Smacker's Minnie Tsum Tsum and the Tsum Tsum nail polish. So the first step is painting all nails a Jack Skellington orange. Next, we're adding black dots to the pinky nail. Next, we're going to do a candy corn design. Next, we'll add Minnie Mouse. Lastly, we'll be adding a spooky bat. And finish off with your favorite top coat. So here's the final look, inspired by Lip Smacker's Halloween Mini Tsum Tsum using their nail polish.